Now, how can you scan a QR code which is on your iPad's screenshot, right? So you don't have the camera ready to point at a QR code, but you already have it on your iPad screen. So how can you scan it like that? Before we get started, ensure you are subscribed to the Foxtecc channel, and therefore you'll never miss anything important. So what you need to do is to open up the Photos app like this, and then once you have the photo with a screenshot ready, you should be able to click on the little button in the corner to select all of the available text, right? So you have the ability to have all of the things like selected and whatnot, and then you can just click and hold down on the QR code, and it kind of depends on what's like encoded in there. If it's a link, which is usually the case, you will have the ability to open it right away, or you'll be able to copy the text or whatever else is inside of that QR code. Keep in mind that this feature may not always work, especially if you don't have the live text feature turned on. And this can in fact be found inside of the settings when you proceed to the general section and then find it inside of the language and region. Entirely at the bottom there, you can see live text toggle, which has to be turned on in order for this to work. Otherwise, the text will simply not be recognized on photos, and that includes QR codes as well. But I think that would be about it. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think below, and I'll see you in the future tutorials.